Good day, everyone. Welcome to the channel. Welcome back to the markets. Your fellow compadre is here. Today, we're going to be discussing, this is the Market Beast edition, of course. We're going to be discussing Hertz. Today's video, we're going to do a brief update on what we previously said that could happen in the Hertz instrument. And we're just going to go over that really quickly, just for those of you who have probably invested in this move up and just are trying to figure out, okay, what's next on this? Do I hold? Do I sell? Of course, this is a financial advice, and I'm not your financial advisor, by the way, just education. But I will show you guys a few levels of interest, support, potentially, resistance. So look forward to this. Let's just dive into the charts here, shall we? All right, so today's October the 25th, 2020. The previous close of Hertz is going to be $1.75, down about 0.57% for the day. Okay. All right, so these are the weekly candles. This will be a short video, guys. I think we previously were speculating that after this move up here, near this range, at about $2.60 or even like $2.30, the price was at, we were expecting some potential resistance. And in hindsight here, it looks like Hertz, wrong channel. All right, cool. Hertz has had some resistance there at that level. So the practical place to retrace, I think we were saying about $1.50 up to about $1.60. That red line I just put on the chart there is almost exactly where the price came down to. Looks like it. So this was pretty extreme. I mean, this move, I wasn't expecting Hertz to do 100 and I think it was like 60 something percent to the upside. I was actually only expecting Hertz to come up to the previous level of support. We made the call down here, I think a week ago or something. And I was just expecting Hertz to just kind of come up, you know, go to the $150 level, gracefully get rejected, potentially make a higher low, and just kind of make its way back above 150. But no, Hertz just wanted to, you know, blast off to the upside. And I honestly think that move was, it was a very extreme, very unpredictable, I think. And I think it wasn't sustainable as well. So what we have to do now is understand the previous level of resistance and closely watch this to see how the price reacts to this level here, the previous level of resistance, which is near $1.50, $1.60 approximately. So far in the weekly, it has some sort of reaction near that level. Whether it's going to be an official bounce and continue the momentum to the upside has yet to be determined. We have to let the price action determine that, of course. Okay, and the same thing here. I'll put the horizontal lines with the area that we previously spoke of about the sell orders not being clear. I think it was a video. We'll put this video probably popping on the screen right now to let you guys know that this was the one thing that I failed to mention about Hertz. I don't see the sell orders clear in this range at about $3 up to $3.38. I need to see some sort of buying interest enter the market to clear that level, and that would be an indication to me that the price is ready to move higher after finding a higher low. Okay, but so far that area isn't clear. I can see that, so that's something that I'll be paying close attention to. If we get a clearance of that level, that would be nice over the next, I think I've predicted like 3 weeks, but that's not guaranteed, guys. I have no idea what's going to happen with Hertz here over the next few weeks. But one thing I do know is that this recent move was pretty extreme, and we may have to give back most, if not all, of the profits that just entered the market. Okay, but again, the practical place to come down and find a landing, potentially soft landing, would be at about $1.50. Let's move it on down to the 3-day to see if we can see anything else. Okay, so our infamous purple line is above the price action, and for those of you who are familiar, we speculatively pay attention to this moving average, this 7-day moving average for those of you who are new. The 7-day moving average, when it's above the purple line, it has bearish potential. When it's below the purple line, there's bullish potential. So that's how we pay attention to that. And currently it's above it, so it may need to find support at that purple line, which is currently at about $1.45. Not saying it's going to get that low, but just give you an idea of how fast the moving average is moving on the 3-day here. So let's move it on down to the daily, close things out here, and I'll give you my final assessment on what could happen here over the next week or so, and then we'll update you guys again. So here on the daily, I'm seeing something. I'm seeing still have an immense amount, not an immense amount, I won't say that, but I'm still seeing a range of sell orders on the daily. And for those of you who are familiar, I don't really take the daily that serious. I base my market entry and exit decisions on the 3-day and higher, okay? Although the daily is very helpful in some cases in determining a market's direction. But anyway, the sell orders here on the daily, as far as I can see, the sell orders are not clear between $1.90 up to $2.60. Market participant needs to step in and purchase this range in order for me to be convinced that the price is ready to move to the upside. But until then, I'm going to assume that this range needs to be cleared. I mean, obviously, someone could come in next week and buy up this entire range. Okay, God, my arrows are looking better and better by the day. So that's basically what I'm looking to see. But so far on the daily here, it's just having like a slow grind to the upside. So we just have to give the price action some time to move. Okay, so that's basically what I'm seeing. If I had to guess a direction in the market here, I would say that, okay, this is the range. Again, got $1.50 up to not $1.60. Let's say $1.50, because that was a retracement, $1.50 to $1.60. And it went all the way down to like 156. So that was pretty accurate. Actually smack dab in the middle there, 155. Okay, so what I'm looking at now here is going to be this range, $1.50, 2-ish, up to $1.91. So I'm going to assume that Hertz has the potential to bounce anywhere within this range, $1.50 up to $1.91. It could reach a little bit higher, that's fine, but I'm expecting to see some sort of resistance at some point, possibly even further into next week, or, you know, the week thereafter. It's going to be a slow grind as far as what I can see, and it may have to experience some sort of resistance here, just near $2, just above it. I'm not sure, guys, but I'd say we have to look forward to next week. It may go up to about $2, but I would expect to see some sort of resistance there and potentially retrace even as low as $1.50. It doesn't have to get that extreme, but I would expect to see some sort of resistance at $2 if it makes it that high. And yeah, that's basically what I'm seeing here. I could be totally wrong about that, but that's as far as what I can see on the daily, and just kind of putting the weekly, the 3-day, and the daily in perspective. We could experience a slight move up, not much, and after that, probably going to retrace back lower. Okay, let's call it 12%, 14% to the upside, and from there, we may experience some resistance. Potentially, it would be ideal for the Hertz bulls to find a higher low in the price, right? And then, of course, continue the trend, or the recent trend, to the upside. That's all I got for you guys. Leave an appropriate thumb just below the video there. Leave a comment down below, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Napoleon Macro, we'll go ahead and sign off. Thanks for tuning in, my new subscribers, my loyal subscribers. Guys, stick with the channel here, guys. We're putting out more content daily. And hey, click the video that just popped on the screen there, just to verify that I actually made an accurate call and I wasn't incorrect about that. Roast me in the comment section if I was wrong. Love to read those comments there, guys. Hey, I'm out of here. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Take care of yourselves and have a good day.